perspective, it's very important to understand anything that comes about the limitations, to understand the limitations of anything that comes to you is the first thing that you always go for. In our work as well, we always see when we are talking about an enemy, for example, we always see it's not about the strong points, it's also what's the limitation at best, to what extent can they go to. Only then we'll be able to, in a way, build our systems to counter that. So, from that perspective, I would say, just believe in yourself. Most importantly, I come from a very small town in this country, from one of the remotest parts of this country in the Northeast. But it's not about which part of the country or which village or which town you belong to. It's about that zeal that you should have, which transcends geographical boundaries. It's the most important thing. Don't get side down by, oh, how am I going to do this? Is it going to be possible for me? I would say everything is possible. It's just that you should have that precision, planning, strategy, and the way that you go ahead will determine where you land. So I would always say, keep that in mind. Do it for yourself, do it for your family, do it for the society, and of course, do it for the country. So if there is anything, I think I would really just sum up the entire thing here. But one thing which I would like to say before I leave is, I always have believed, still believe, and will believe. Believe in yourself. That is the most important element in your growth, personal, professional, both. So always have that belief. Never kind of go to a situation where you are not sure of anything. When you think that, yes, I'm trying for this, try as the best you can. And I'm sure you are going to succeed in that. So wish you all the very best in all your future endeavors. My best wishes to you. Thank you.